Hello, my name is Joe LeBay and thank you for your interest in RatchetX. If you're like me, when investigating a new technology, you want just the facts. You want quick and concise answers to questions such as, what problem does this technology solve? What are the benefits to me? At a high level, how does this technology work? And how is it deployed? Only then, if I'm still interested, will I dive deep into the details. Well, you've come to the right place. This video series is designed to answer these and other questions in short order. If you like what you see, dig deeper. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call or drop us an email. So let's get started by answering the first question posed. What problem does RatchetX solve? Every day we use application software to help us get things done. And while these applications perform well the tasks they were designed to do, integrating them together into a manageable workflow tailored to our specific requirements is often a challenge. Gone are the days when one system contained all the answers. Rather, best-of-breed software in the advent of web services has created more data and business logic fragmentation than ever before. And you know who's left holding the bag trying to tie all this stuff together. That's right, you and me. As end users, we don't have many direct options when it comes to integrating the applications we use. Source code is not available for most of the applications we use, and even if it was available, few people in our organizations have the skills or the stomach to venture into the code. Some of the applications we use have programming APIs, but the development cycle associated with designing, coding, testing, and redeploying an application just to accommodate our specific need isn't very cost-effective. And sure, some of the applications we use do have import-export capabilities, but these facilities are brittle and tend to be unreliable. So for the most part, we're left to fend for ourselves, either doing lots of cutting and pasting, or even worse, rekeying data. Wouldn't you be more productive if software performed more of the functions you need and could talk to the other systems you use? Rather than navigating between multiple systems and culling data from all over the place, how valuable would it be if the applications you use on a daily basis could automatically tap into the data and business logic housed in other systems? Finally, what if this could all be done without requiring any changes to the application you're using? Well, this is precisely what RatchetX does. RatchetX empowers software users to customize the applications they use without requiring changes to the application source code or even the involvement of a programmer. Let's look at a simple example. Say I'm a user of a CRM system such as FreeCRM or Salesforce.com, Windows or browser-based application, it doesn't really matter, and I decide that whenever I add a new company to my system, I want to automatically verify the company's mailing address and gather additional demographic information such as annual sales and a list of the company's top 3 competitors. In order to get this data into my CRM system, I have to manually navigate to several different systems and retype the key data needed to acquire the data. Then I have to wait for the results and cut and paste them into my CRM system's company screen, assuming there are fields in the application into which I can paste the results. However, with RatchetX, I can easily create a routine that automatically extracts the key information from the company screen and calls all the various systems that house the data I need. And when it's finished, RatchetX will paste the results wherever I want, in the company screen fields, in another application, or in RatchetX's internal storage system, forever linking the acquired data to this company's record. Incorporating business logic and information contained in disparate systems at the time and where I need it is the key to increasing my productivity. So let's quickly look at how RatchetX would handle my prior add a company example. When I add a company to my CRM system, RatchetX detects this and displays for me a list of the functions it can perform on this application data from within this screen. If I want to verify the address and acquire additional business intelligence about this company, all I have to do is click on the company profile lookup alert. When I do, RatchetX extracts the data it needs from my CRM system screen and calls out to the other systems that house the profile information. Once the information is acquired, RatchetX then pastes the data directly into the applicable screen fields in my CRM application. Keep in mind, I haven't changed my CRM system in any way to accommodate this integration. Based on the application and the data context, RatchetX was able to determine and perform the functions I need whenever I'm adding a record to my CRM system. It's that simple. Well, that's it. You now have a high-level understanding of what RatchetX does. Think about what you've just seen and apply the RatchetX value proposition to your computing environment, and I'll bet that within 15 minutes, you'll come up with your own examples of how RatchetX can dramatically increase productivity in your organization. If so, feel free to view the other videos in this series or contact us for additional information. Thanks for your time, and we hope to speak with you soon.